may portion ng show, yung Noel Litania. I just like to see lang your preference kung sino yung mas parang may affinity ka. Kunyari, hindi na Nora Vilma at saka Sharon Maricel kasi tapos na yung agent. Kunyari, Judy and Claudine. Who are you like parang leaning towards during your time?
Judy Ann or Claudine?
Claudine, yes.
Basta,
kaya mo yan.
Siguro,
Minute lang.
Judy Ann.
Si Judy Ann. Tapos si Martin or si Gary Valenciano or Ogie Jano? Kanino ka mas naging malapit?
Mas naging malapit ko kay Kuya Ogie and Kuya Jano dahil nasa GMA.
Nasa GMA before, yes. Yeah. Then Cherry Pie Picache or Jacqueline Jose?
Tita Jane.
Then, Aga Mulak, Richard Gomez or Robin Padilla? Who were like closest to or yung career path?
Of course, Robin Padilla.
Ito nga yung batang Robin na sinasabi nila. Yeah. So, Piola Pascual, John Lloyd Cruz, Coco Martin, or Gerald Anderson?
Piola Pascual.
Piola. Ding Dong Dantes or Alden Richards? Those are the Kapuso icons.
Ang hirap nito, pares kong kaibigan.
Pero
of course, siguro kahit naman si Alden will still go for Kuya Dong.
Ding Dong. Marian or Heart Evangelista?
Ate yan.
Okay. Then Bea Alonzo, Mahat Salvador, or Kim Chu?
Bea Alonzo.
Okay, next. Katniel, Liz Kian, or Jay Dean? Among the love teams of the Kapamilya channel.
Katniel all the way.
Oo nga rin. Ben and Ben, Four of Spades, or SB19? Rudy sa Singer 2, ha?
Ben and Ben.
And they have a concert this weekend and we're supporting it.
Yeah.
Julian San Jose or Morissette?
Julie. Kaibigan ko si Julie.
Kasi kaibigan ko si Julie. Miguel Tan Felix or Khalil Ramos?
Siguro basta close ko si Miguel.
Si Miguel. Close talaga kayo. Galing, ha? Gabby Garcia or Bianca Umali? Derek Ramsey laughing. I have an objection to that later.
Pwedeng... Hirap. Sige. Well, for now, siguro Bianca Umali.
For now? No, for long, I hope. No, 21 years is a challenging year. No, so leave us with some lessons that we can learn from, and you can inspire the people. What can you tell the people now, since we're looking back at the year, a very challenging year, and an inspiring one at that?
So of course, dumaan po tayo sa maraming pagsubok. Hindi lang ako, kundi tayong lahat because of this pandemic. Maraming mga tao na nawala po sa atin. So, I think the biggest lesson na pwede po natin na magamit po sa ating pang-araw-araw is hanggat nandyan po yung mga taong mahal natin sa buhay, sabihin po natin sa kanila kung gaano po natin sila kamahal. Because we never know kung hanggang kailan po natin pwedeng sabihin sa kanila yun. And learn to appreciate life and never ever doubt yourself.